What's good, guys? This is Lincoln Gosling 647, and we're back with another Roblox. We're back on playing Roblox. I don't know if you want to make this a season. I might make this a season. Season 1. Let's make it a season. Okay. Right, everyone. Right now, I'm gonna show you all the cars they have. You know, we did the other. I'm showing you everything. You know, I showed you how to get out of prison. And now, if I was a prisoner, it'd be a perfect amount. Now there, I'll show you all the cars I have. I have a lot of cars. Yes, I do. That's all the cars. You can buy some here, but I like to go into the other places. Let's go over here. They need to get the new Ford GT. The Gelatin Killer Claw. Gelatin. Boo boo boo. Alright. Oh fuck! You hear that, guys? If you download this game, you can get the sound. If you don't have to download. Shut the fuck up, Bungani. If you download this game, you can get this. Hold up. Okay. Come on, car. If you download this game, you can have a lot of. It's a really fun game. If you love cars, you're gonna love this sound. You're gonna love everything that this game gives to you. Oh, ooh, oh, fuck, fuck. All right, right now. Okay, hold up. Fuck, fuck, yeah. Okay. This game it's a really fun game. It's almost like real life. Sounds. Okay. I gotta lower that. It's too loud. But the sounds like the car, it's just fantastic and something that y'all gonna like. You can drive all these cars, just not the. You can drive all of these cars, not just these kind of cars. You can drive all of these cars, guys. Just tell Rolo to sponsor me. Hey Rolo, you sponsor me. I hope you get more fame. I'll help you. All right. But you can test drive all these cars. I'm not gonna test drive these cars, but I can't, cause I can't. Here's the thing why I can't test, cause I can. What? How about this Ferrari? Fuck Wasai. I don't know what they try to make it as. Alright. And just in case you buy the car you have, it's just a, it's just. Hold up. Can I just? Alright, I'm gonna test drive this Pagani. A new follower. Make sure to follow me, guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all your work. Ooh, and you got a certain amount of time, but you can test drive all these cars. I already have once. It's an amazing thing to test drive them again. Thank you, Roblox. Thank you, Vehicle Simulator. The sound just went blank. Oh yeah, cause I got out of the thing. Let me find the Pagani. There it is. who right now my game my keeper's missing. You know that's what happens whenever you play this game so hard and you fuck up everything. Here's a Bugatti. I'm probably saying it wrong. It's probably not even a Pagani. To be honest with you guys, it's probably not even that. Guys, alright, here's the sound. Alright, enough of that. Yeah, that's a Pagani. Okay, we gotta lower that shit down. The Pagani, it sounds amazing, right? But it's just really annoying. But it's really fast. I don't know if I should get the Pagani. I have like over $1 million, but I think I already made my mind up. I think I'm gonna get the apartment. It's just a fast car too. That's what I love about it. And then there's soccer over there. You see my mouse? There's soccer right there. Like this is more just than it's more than just a car game. They also have motorcycles. Um, hold on, let me. Yeah. Usually it's hard to take cars out of one, but like this game is just so. You see that bridge? I told you in the other one. But if you jump over this, boom. This is this is more than just a card game, guys. I want you to understand that. This is a really fun game. Like you might not understand it, but this Pagani, it's a very fun game. I will have to admit that the Pagani is a very good car. It's just so annoying. I don't think it's just really annoying. Like in real life, I'll probably take it. Cause like no one knows the fuck what that is. You're like, oh, is that a new car that I don't know about? It would be real funny. I prefer right here, LaFerrari. Give me a LaFerrari. I'm just more a Ferrari guy. It's just I like the Dodge Challenge. I like how it sounds. It sounds like a monster. It sounds like a motherfucking muscle car. It sounds like American muscle. That's why I like the car. It sounds really beast. It has way too much power for a fucking car. Like the engine. Oh, that's why it goes up. That's why the Dodge Demon. That's why the what's it called? That's why the car goes up. It's because the Dodge Demon. It's because the engine is too powerful for the car, and that's why some cars. That's why Dodge Challengers. Like, if you know Dodge Challengers, you know if like you need bigger tires because like the tires, like the tires and everything, it's not made for that engine is whew, ain't made with the engine. It's just facts. It's just facts. Like here's the other fun thing about this game. Okay, yeah, here look, there's a oh I never knew that. Oh, I'm gonna go to the drive-thru. Oh shit. But you can get donuts if I'm correct. And look at there's a lot of things that you guys, if you're new to this, you're gonna figure it out and you're gonna love about this game. You don't like this game. This game made for you, to be honest. game for car people. Fuck. Uh, oh, okay, okay. Precious. Oh my. Usually, to be honest, uh, well, they used to be. You could have buy them, but now, well, you need Roblox for that. I don't know. I got no money for that. And you can drift. There's so much. If you don't know this game, you're gonna. A lot of this shit is gonna surprise you. Just try this game. If you don't like the game, just keep on playing for a while. Like once I started playing it, I fell in love with everything. If you're a car person, you're gonna fucking love this game. It's just the sound of the vehicles. It just sounds fucking monsters. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Oh shit. I'm flying. It's just so fun. If you don't like this game, what are you doing? All right, we're gonna. Okay. All right. We're gonna get into another car. What you said? Pagani? Right. That's a Pagani, right? I fucking hate that they change all the names. I think it's a Pagani. I just saw Toddy Street Screamer. Oh, it is fucking a screamer. I like it. Like the car is amazing. It looks fast as fuck, right? It does sound like a monster. Yes, I would admit that. But it's just not the car for me, you know. Like if it's on a sound like that in real life, I don't think I'll buy it. To be honest. Well, I'm turning down the volume because this bitch is loud. Yeah, yeah, drifting. All right, I'm gonna the dogs. Like, if you see me while I was scrolling, you can buy Teslas. I don't know why, but Teslas they stay the same. I don't know why the fuck they do. Like the Tesla's not even the main one I like. The like Teslas I don't ride. I don't like the Teslas. I'm gonna tell you why. Yeah, they're fast cars, but they're not loud. Like this car is too loud. It's a little too. Uh, it's more like airplane. I don't like how jet sound, but it looks. It's a, I'm not gonna lie. It's a beautiful ass car. It guys, but make sure you guys like and subscribe. All right, here's. Oh, why the fuck that stays the same? I don't even know why. That I don't know why. I bet Tesla made this, bro. Cause oh, conspiracy theory, bro. Like for real, Tesla stay the same. Tesla stay the same. That's the only thing that happened. And it has its own thing. Like a lot of cars have more than just one thing. You know, like Ford has more than just one car. Feel me? Tesla has more than one cars. I don't get it, bro. Why? All right, guys. You know, it's been a fun road trip, guys. It's me nagging about why the fuck they changed names. Oh, what should be good ass clickbait? I ain't make no clickbait, nigga. But hold up. Okay, I got it. I don't care about test drives. Okay, thanks guys for I being driving. Here's gonna be the clickbait. Me driving my Tesla Roadster. Fuck, bro. Ooh, bro. Make sure guys you like and subscribe. I don't think I'm gonna be time. No. There we go.